Video 5 for this thing. What the heck? Oh, I mean, hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with another exciting, awesome, amazing video. ComCHOMPinator, I haven't given up on you. There's cat prints on it now for some reason, right over there. So, we obviously had our issue with the plugging here. So then I was thinking, well, maybe we don't need it to be so fine. You know, maybe we're trying to do too much in one step. Maybe the chopping action is all I need. So in that regard, all I would need to do technically is actually cut a large hole around the air so where the blades are, it can just pass through right into the bin, because we didn't get anything in the bin when you're running our little experiment on the pumpkins here, which are now a week old and getting gross. And the quad blade in the machine, while it vibrates poorly, might provide enough cutting action that as it goes by, it will chop it up into chunks that are fine for compost, and then let the ComCHOMPinator do the superfine burn. So that's what I'm thinking. Now, a couple issues that have come up. It rains here, and so my really crappy free wood is getting kind of soft. So I've already started a little work here. Another pallet 2x2 across the bottom there. And I'll probably do one along the edges as well. That will kind of firm up where my wheels sit right here, where there are little dents, and we'll cut a big hole right here. And then hopefully it'll be a little bit firmer chassis so it won't vibrate as bad. And then we'll stick the mower back up there, fire it up, and I have stuff to, it's starting to get kind of cool here, I have stuff to ComCHOMPinate. So we'll try it on some other stuff again, see if we can get it so it doesn't blow up, and we'll give it a spin. The blades are still in their improper configuration is the term, where they've moved together. But we'll reseparate them and fire it up again and go with that. So that's what we're doing right now. I'll show you some footage, I guess, of me cutting it in a circle here. Let's take a look at the underside here. We've got pumpkin vine still, some lumber. Let's undo the plug, and it won't start anyway unless you beg it to. Let's loosen it up and put the blade back. Alright, that's cool. Let's fire it up again, and we'll empty the bin first, I think, because it's full of wood chips. Alright, on this windy day, let's give it another try to start her up anyway. See if it makes a different noise now that the bottom is open. Tie up the safety handle here. Should be fairly good. The wife had a mower like this before. She said it didn't really go until you gave it about 40 primes, so let's do that. Primer bulb's all crappy. We did fix the governor, so that'll help too. might be 40 or 400, one of those. Oh, let's put the plug back on. Okay, let's try it now. Does have fuel, does have oil. What a dink. Definitely has cold start issues. Whoa, that's ding with that bull ring. Well, with any luck, that's a good angle to see stuff go in and to see stuff hopefully come out. Let's find out. Well, that was amazingly uneventful. It shredded it like it was supposed to. There's not a lot of material here. It does kind of leak everywhere, it seems. So maybe some sealing will be in order around the edges, which would reduce serviceability, but let it go. But inside it's a good chunk, which is probably the good start for compost. Let's go ahead and I'll bring a wheelbarrow of the stuff over and we'll record that. Slow-mo Joe, let's do this. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments down below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for awesome updates on what I'm doing. Please check out the next video I've got lined up for you, and also check out my Patreon page if you want to support what we're doing here. And finally, check out my other less tractory page, Red Barn Homestead. You can subscribe to that too, see some awesome stuff. And we'll see you next time.